okay. We're just we're breaking into new class. That's all.
No, this is not the way.
My mother is sick, so I gotta go stop by pharmacy. Don't know exactly if this is the one that she wants. I came back to the car realizing I left the car on, but I mean the doors were locked, but the car was still running. Oops. Lately I've been getting just an Americano with like sometimes an extra double shot of espresso, so usually like 4 shots of espresso. It's 4:33 p.m. right now. Heading over to Dallas, Georgia. I'm wearing my old school uniform again, as you've seen in my other old vlogs. But this is a part 2 continuation of that Mustang repair. So look forward to that and continue watching. After like an hour and 15 minutes of driving through traffic, back here. It's kind of a mess right now, but it's gonna get better. I don't think I ever showed you guys, but this is his M3. It has some knocking issues, rod knocks, so that's not drivable at the moment, unfortunately. So this is his only ride. So our issue is that being that these motor mounts are solid metal, and so there's no flexibility for, like, we have to get the drill holes aligned up perfectly with the actual block. So it's a pain in the ass. Such a pain in the ass. And I know I buttoned.
You want dinner?
Dinner? Sure. Oh my gosh. Ugh. So what's up guys, this Thursday, and it's funny because the entire day up until now I thought it was Wednesday. I have no idea why, but I thought it was Wednesday, and then I checked my calendar. I was like, oh shoot, it's Thursday. And so yeah, so these are the motor mounts, the metal plate you see here. This side went in fine, right? But then this side didn't want to line up exactly with the bolt holes. Like this one, you know, everything was going in right, and we didn't tighten it all the way, just like running in with your fingers. But this one, for some reason, had like about ½ an inch of space between the actual block, the engine block, and the motor mount. So last night before I left, tightened up the flywheel. Had to hammer in these pins here, and so new flywheel's in. Still gotta mount this transmission, this big old thing, and made it with this, because this is what you see here. This is the engine. We had to do some hack job of wiring repair, fix that. There we go. Gonna raise it if it's not going the right way now. clear that side? Yep.
Ow.
Shit. Time to get this sucker in. This big, long, metal shaft.
Are you putting the stuff in? Mm-hmm. Need help?
Yeah.
Slides right in. 3/8.
A lot shorter.
Oh yeah.
It's a good thing. So.
Well, that's what I bought it for. One of them.
Extra long throws.
Have you ever wanted to be a truck driver?
Oh, my shoulders. Oh snap.
No, it killed itself.
It killed itself? So here's what I got. I got double the chicken, white rice, no beans, cheese, corn, mild, medium, and a little bit of hot. Christmas gift from Eunice. Check out this professional gift wrapping. It's so neat. It satisfies my OCD. This is the book, 7 Habits of Highly Effective People. Oh, I'm shirtless. Yeah, I know. So if you're watching this, Eunice, I want to say, hold on, calm down. I want to say thank you for the gift. I think books are very, very, powerful, and they can do a lot. Just the fact that it's very, valuable knowledge and stuff, especially these kinds of personal development books. So these Oreo balls are awesome. So. Stick that in there. There we go. These two houses have little laser thingies. All right, third time, let's go. Yes! Finally! Okay. I So we had this really loud screeching. I myself never heard noise like this loud before. The car would just shut off after you start it up, immediately just like shut off and not. Okay, we're thinking mechanical resistance. There's something going on with the clutch, flywheel, or something causing it to just not start. This tubing here happens to be just dangling right there. Hook it back up, and next thing you know, it's all working. So.
It was right the first time.
So, but there was nothing wrong the first time. It's all good now. So satisfying. How's it feel?
5% more vibration. To be honest.
This is a official test drive, final test drive. It feels kind of quirky when it goes over some bumps.
Live rear accident. It's a scary thing.
It's only at a certain RPM. Nice.
Oh wait, I'm not supposed to do that with the new clutch.
It's okay, we're breaking into new class, that's all.
No, this is not the way.
This is how my aunt decided to park.
Pause opening my gift. What is it? So Asian.
What?
You don't even do like the American style. Rip it off.
Oh. It's a scarf. I like it.
Really?
I like it. I needed something.
But you need something underneath it though.
This is almost.
What? You have the same one? No. Is it J. Crew too?
No.
No. Wow.
This is old though. I don't wear it anymore. 'Cause
Mine is a little bit lighter. Ah, it fits. Kind of loose on the tummy. See, I told you. Yeah. Well, you always.
Alright, so, oh gosh, so orange, hold up, wait. Okay, so that looks so much better, but it is Monday, current day that I'm uploading this, or technically it's gonna upload probably after midnight. But yeah, last night was Christmas and all I did was just chill and hang out with Sarah, watch a movie, eat pizza. You know, I stayed home all day yesterday. Parents went out on a little trip to Carolinas. And yeah, but to you guys, my friends, my loved ones, whoever is watching this, I hope 2017 will be a very good year for you, and you know, new opportunities, new ventures, new risks. You're going after those big risks, and you know, it can be scary, it can be fun. Make it a big year for yourself. And especially if you're on my age, 23, 22, low 20s or mid 20s, that's the time to be building, to be hustling, to be working. And so yeah, my good friends, some of them that I know, just going through some tough times right now, and you know, not everybody is having a great, loving, joyful holiday spirit going around right now. Some people are going through some tough times, and that's the way life goes sometimes. And you know, you just gotta have faith, stay strong, and you just gotta know that on the other side there's something good. There's always something good. So wow, I just gave myself goosebumps by saying that, but no, literally just like legit, just have some faith and you'll make it. So peace out. Have a great new year. So peace. I said that already. Peace.